The innovative Dräger X-act 7000 analysis system offers high-precision gas detection in the low ppb range. This is particularly beneficial for testing for benzene and other carcinogenic toxins. The system consists of the X-act 7000 analysis device and a range of microtubes for various gases and vapors. A single microtube can be used to perform 10 tests in a row. The system is continually being expanded to include testing for even more types of gases. The X-act 7000 is extremely easy to use. After switching on, the device performs an automatic self-test and then it's immediately ready for use. The RFID tags on the microtubes contain all the calibration details that are needed throughout the lifetime of the tube. This eliminates the need for lengthy function tests and manual calibration. As a result, you save time and money. Simply insert the correct microtube. The automatic drive carefully draws the microtube in and positions it. Use the 3-button control and 2.4-inch color display to control the test sequence. The green LED and display indicate when the test is complete. You can store the test result, location and time in the internal data logger and read it later using the Draeger CC Vision software. When testing confined spaces like ducts, shafts and containers for safe entry, the device can be connected via a coupler to the Dräger XAM pump. A range of probes and hoses in lengths of up to 45 meters allow you to perform tests in hard-to-reach places. To boost sensitivity and selectivity even further for some Dräger microtubes, a pre-tube is required in combination with a pre-tube holder. To use the pre-tube, simply open the tip of the tube and place it into the pre-tube holder. After that, you can perform the test in the usual way. The sensitive microtubes are based on colorimetric chemical sensors. They consist of multiple outer layers and reactive layers that allow for selective testing. The outer layers serve as a filter. They filter out other substances that occur in the worksite, while the hazardous substance being measured triggers a chemical reaction with the reactant system. As a result, the microtube changes colors. A high-resolution digital camera in the optical electrical analysis device monitors this reaction and analyzes the discoloration, which is often not visible to the human eye. Your advantages: sensitivity, measures even into the lowest ppb concentrations. Selectivity, the occurrence of false positives and false alarms is virtually eliminated. Versatility, microtubes for all kinds of gases and vapors. Easy to use. Insert the microtubes, start measuring, then read out the test result.